Want to speak real Norwegian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at norwegianclass101.com.
Greit. Okay. Greit. Okay. Actually, you can just say okay as well, as it's very commonly used in Norwegian too. Unnskyld meg. Excuse me. Unnskyld meg. Excuse me. Unnskyld is a very useful phrase. When you want to say sorry, you can also say unnskyld. Jeg beklager. I'm sorry. Jeg beklager. I'm sorry. Or you can say unnskyld. Hva klokka? What time is it? Hva klokka? What time is it? Actually, hva klokka literally means what is the clock? Kan jeg få regningen, er du snill? Could I get the check, please? Kan jeg få regningen, er du snill? Could I get the check, please? Unfortunately, those bills aren't gonna pay themselves, you know. Vent et øyeblikk. Wait a moment. Vent et øyeblikk. Wait a moment. Øyeblikk actually means I blink, so wait just a blink of an eye. Si. To say. Si. To say. Jeg sier alltid min mening. I always say my opinion. Yeah, that's important too. Forklare. To explain. Forklare. To explain. Kan du forklare dette for meg? Can you explain this to me? Actually, a lot of Norwegian words start with for, something, something. In this case, forklare means to forclare, so it's like making things clear. Or explain. Høre, to hear. Høre, to hear. Jeg hører deg. I hear you. Gå, to go. Gå, to go. Jeg går fra stasjonen nå. I go from the station now. Vite, to know. Vite, to know. Du vet så mye. You know so much. Kaffe, coffee. Kaffe, coffee. Kan jeg få en vanlig svart kaffe, takk? Can I have a normal black coffee, please? Norwegians love coffee, so if you go to Norway, you'll probably end up drinking a lot of coffee. Yeah, any coffee. Takk, thanks. Takk, thanks. You can also say tusen takk, which literally means 1,000 thanks, so many thanks. Svimmel, dizzy. Svimmel, dizzy. Det er ubehagelig å være svimmel. It is uncomfortable being dizzy. The heat is making me so dizzy. Vakker, beautiful. Vakker, beautiful. Du er vakker. You are beautiful. Or you can say du er pen. But if you say du er pen, make sure to make the E long, or else it'll sound like you are a pen. Pen, pen. Pen is beautiful. Pen is pen. Glad, happy. Glad, happy. Han ser veldig glad ut I dag. He looks really happy today. Hvordan går det med deg? How are you? Hvordan går det med deg? How are you? Jeg har det bra. I'm good. Hvor er du fra? Where are you from? Hvor er du fra? Where are you from? Jeg er fra Oslo. I'm from Oslo. Når er bursdagen din? When is your birthday? Når er bursdagen din? When is your birthday? Bursdagen min 20. januar. My birthday is the 20th of January. Actually, my birthday is in December, so Desember. Hvor bor du? Where do you live? Hvor bor du? Where do you live? Jeg bor I Bergen. I live in Bergen. Bergen is a nice city. If you live there, you're lucky. Hvor jobber du? Where do you work? Hvor jobber du? Where do you work? Jeg jobber I kommunen. I work at the municipality. Kjøtt. Meat. Kjøtt. Meat. Jeg spiser ikke kjøtt. I don't eat meat. Well, you know, everybody say that it's good for the environment not to eat meat. And I wish I had enough willpower to become a vegetarian, but not yet. Maybe in the future? Who knows? Nysgjerrig. Curious. Nysgjerrig. Curious. Hunden veldig nysgjerrig på hva katten gjør. The dog is very curious about what the cat is doing. I used to have a dog, and my dog didn't care about cats at all. I think cats and dogs are usually not really good friends, but sometimes they just ignore each other, I guess. Øl, beer. Øl, beer. En kald øl veldig passende i sommerværet. A cold beer suits the summer weather well. So I think some of you might have problems pronouncing ö. It kind of sounds like somebody hits you in the stomach. You go like, ugh. Yeah, if you get hit in the stomach, maybe you would want to have a cold beer afterwards to cool off. Recently, you know, it's getting so popular with microbreweries. I think they have a lot of good beer, like all the locally produced beers especially. I like to try different types of beer when I go for trips and so on. Smør, butter. Smør, butter. Kan du smøre smør på brødskiven? Can you put butter on the slice of bread? In Norway, we usually have a lot of bread, brød, for breakfast, and then we usually would have smør as one of the common things to put on the bread, along with other, what we call pålegg, which is literally put on. So it's anything you put on the bread is called pålegg. Rådyr, roe deer. Rådyr. Roe deer. Det vanlig å se rådyr om vinteren. It is common to see roe deer in the winter. Det var en gang en rådyr som ble skutt, og så ble den rådyr. So the word rådyr can have two meanings in Norwegian. The first one, as you just heard, is roe deer, and the other meaning is crazily expensive. So the example sentence I just gave you means there was a roe deer that got shot and got crazily expensive. Brew Bridge. Brew Bridge. Den broen var veldig flott. That bridge was very nice. So, as you probably understood, this is about Brew Bridge, not as in bro. Yo, bro. Har du lagt på deg i det siste? Have you gained weight recently? Har du lagt på deg i det siste? Have you gained weight recently? Well, this one should be pretty obvious. We actually have a song about this topic in Norwegian. You should check it out. It goes like this. Nei, så tjukk du har blitt. Nå har du pinadø lagt på deg litt. Har du det bra? Åssen står det til? Det var lenge siden sist. This song is by Ole Ivars, so please check them out for some fun Norwegian songs. Du har et grått hår. You have a grey hair. Du har et grått hår. You have a grey hair. Yeah, you know, when people start getting closer to their 30s, then there might be some grey hairs. It's a hard topic to talk about. Det var det jeg sa. I told you so. Det var det jeg sa. I told you so. Yeah, this reminds me of my childhood, like playing around and arguing with my brother. It's like, det var det jeg sa. Du har sparken. You're fired. Du har sparken. You're fired. Luckily, this is something I haven't experienced yet, but that's definitely something I wouldn't want to hear. Det ikke deg, det meg. It's not you, it's me. Det ikke deg, det meg. It is not you, it's me. I think this sentence is a little bit of a cliché, perhaps. But truth to be told, nowadays, some people even break up through SMS, so who knows?
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.